Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Bumblebee Corner. My name is Lisa. Today I'm going to give you a quick little upcycle, so I hope you enjoy it. So my project today is going to be upcycling these 3 little stainless steel platters. 2 are oval and 1 is round. So I'm going to start off by painting them all with, I believe it's White Swan, which is a DIY. It's a clay-based paint, and it has really good coverage, but it's going to take a couple coats to get them completely covered. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give each of them a coat, and then I'm going to let it dry completely, and then I'll come back and do a second coat. So let me get these painted. All right, so I'm just finishing up here. Georgie had to come in and give her approval. So I was really worried about this paint sticking to this shiny surface after I started. I thought I should have sealed it up first or put like a primer on it. But it seems to be holding. The key is to do the first coat and let it dry completely before you go back in with a second coat. So I'm just about done here, and I'm going to finish them up, and then we're going to add some transfers. So they're all painted and they're all completely dry. So I just dug through all my transfers and found which ones I wanted to use on each little platter. In this first one, I chose the strawberries. I just think it's the perfect season for them. So I just took that backing piece off and I just kind of positioned it on the little platter where I wanted it. And then I take the transfer tool and just rub all over the whole thing. And then I'm just going to start in one corner and just lift up as I go. And it releases really easy, which makes me really happy when it comes off so easy like this, which most of the time it does. So I'm just going to kind of lift it, and once it's all rubbed down, I take that and I just burnish it in, which is just you're going to take that backer piece and just rub it all over. So for the second little platter, I'm going to use this little pea pod transfer. This is another one that has just been floating around my little bin of transfers. So I'm trying to use up everything that I can before I open up my new ones that I just got. So I'm just going to go through and do the same thing on this one. And just keep rubbing and just kind of peeling it up. And as you can see, it's releasing really easy. And then I'll get this one burnished in, and then I'll do the last one. So for this third one, I opted to use a little floral piece. And I think this just fits in there perfect, and it turns out so well. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing, rub it all over. And all of these that I've used, all the transfers, they are from IOD, which is Iron Orchid Designs. And I did get them, I believe these were from last year. But I'm sure if you looked at and found some dealers, you could find the same ones. So I need to seal all 3 pieces. One, because I used the DIY paint, and then I want to seal that transfer in there. So I decided to use some clear wax. I have been loving using the clear wax and the dark wax to seal my projects lately. I still do love the big top, but clear wax just seems to be my go-to. So I'd love to hear what you like to use to seal your projects. If you'd like to use just like a top coat, or if you use clear wax, dark wax, let me know in the comments what you like to use and what brand you use. Clear wax, so now I'm going to go in with some dark wax over top of the clear wax. And this just gives me a little more control, because I don't want it super dark, but I just want a little bit of that, I want them to look a little bit aged. So now I'm just going to go in with that dark wax and just kind of give it a light coating. And then I come in with paper towel and wipe all the excess off. So here I am just wiping back some of that dark wax, because I don't want it on there really dark. I just want like a little hint just to kind of give it a little bit of an aged look. So I'm just going to kind of applying a little more of the clear wax to this front part and then I'll go in with a dark wax. What do you guys like? Do you like the aged look or do you like the crisp, new, clean look? I just always seem to go to the distressed and the aged look. That just, I have for a really long time. I really love that look. But I'd love to know in the comments what your favorite look is. If it's the aged, old, like it's been around forever, or do you like the crisp, new, clean look? And here they all are. What do you think? Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And also, like I said before, if you like the aged look or if you like the crisp, new, clean look. Let me know in the comments.